There are 8 parts of speech: verb, noun, adjective, adverb, pronoun, interjection, conjunction, preposition. These allow us to structure a grammatically correct sentence, as each has a different function within a sentence. Verb. A verb describes an action or experience. For example, run, walk, push, eat. Sophie ran to school because she was late. The verb in this sentence is ran. John loves to bake cookies. The verb in this sentence is bake. Noun. A noun names a person, place, things, or ideas. For example, house, teacher, cup, shop. My teacher is a very nice person. The noun in this sentence is teacher. Amy is going to go on holiday to China. There are 2 nouns in this sentence. The first noun is Amy because it's a person's name. The second noun is China because it is the name of a place. Adjective. An adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. For example, short, beautiful, red, old. Fatima has a huge house with 6 bedrooms. The adjective in this sentence is huge because they are describing Fatima's house. Adverb. An adverb describes a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. The adverb tells us how often, how, where, or when. For example, slowly, yesterday, always. Sophie is always late for school. The adverb in this sentence is always. It is also important to note that late is an adverb and an adjective. Last night I slept really well. The adverb in this sentence is last night. Pronoun. A pronoun is used to replace the name of a person, place, thing, or idea in a sentence. For example, I, she, our, they, it. Becky is a very nice friend. She always helps me with my homework. The pronoun in this sentence is she. You can visit the shopping centre at 1 o'clock. The pronoun in this sentence is you. Interjection. An interjection is used to express strong emotion and is often followed by an exclamation mark. For example, wow or oh. Wow, the view is amazing. The interjection in this sentence is wow. Hey, I haven't seen you in a long time. The interjection in this sentence is hey. Conjunction. Conjunction is used to connect words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. For example, and, but, although, or. I like to watch the television and eat popcorn. The conjunction in this sentence is and. My friend is very loud, whereas I am very quiet. The conjunction in this sentence is whereas. Preposition. Prepositions describe the place, time, or direction. It is used before a noun or pronoun. For example, under, above, in, during. The cat jumped over the box. The preposition in this sentence is over. Get into the car quickly before we are late to school. The preposition in this sentence is into.